we're gonna test the home feature. Basically, the vacuum cleaner is programmed to go back and sit on the dock whenever the battery gets low, or if you just hit the home button from the remote control here. So I'm gonna try that, but first let's fix the dock because it kind of ran over it earlier. So I'm gonna move it out just a little bit, and let's get back here, get to cleaning. Clean. Uh-oh, cleaning is not working. Okay, now I'm gonna press home. Okay, I've pressed home, but it looks like it's just, that's not home. That's not home, dude. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna follow it. Hey guys, it's looking for home. It's looking to go home. He can't find his way. Hey, that's not home. Okay, I might need to help it a little bit if this takes too long. Okay, let's get it more out in the open. No, dude, that's not the way home. Turn around. Turn around. Okay, we're getting close. So perhaps this may be one of the few flaws I've already seen with this vacuum. It cannot find its way home.
Go away.
I'm trying to find the home for the vacuum. It cannot find its way home.
I told you they're stupid. I hate them. And it looks even creepier than the other one because it actually has glowing eyes.
Come on, man. It's that way. Look, home is that way. I'm trying to.
How much sushi we could get?
Sushi?
With the money that you spent on that sushi.
Okay. So that's my wife complaining about the vacuum. Right now, it's being a butthead because it's not smart enough to find its way home. Home is that way.
Like some people, you know.
Hold on. I'm still pushing it. Home is that way. You cannot go this way. Now it's pushing on the box.
Can you take my fruit knife?
Huh? Wait, I think it's finding its way. It's finding its way. Okay. Oh no, it's right there. Home is right there. There you go. Oh no, it's coming back this way. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, I think it finally found home. Yeah, it found its way home finally. Okay.